The following video was created by Somfy and is brought to you by Florida Automated Shade and FS Blinds.
Welcome! This is the video guide on recharging the external lithium-ion battery pack of a Somfy wire-free motor. These instructions are suitable for the Somfy wire-free external battery motors listed here. Please note, there is a separate video on charging embedded battery motors. Before you begin, please note that the lithium-ion battery pack should be charged completely before installation. Charging might take up to 6 hours. Motors that have an LED indicator will blink red to signal that the battery pack needs recharging. Motors without an LED indicator will simply stop responding to commands when battery recharging is needed. Only use the correct Somfy plug-in charger for your battery pack. Improper use can lead to a risk of overheating, fire, or possible danger. Let's get started. Take a moment to locate the installed battery pack that powers the motor. If the battery pack charging port is easily accessible, simply connect the cable from the charger to the charging port on the battery pack. Next, plug the charger into a nearby electrical outlet. The LED indicator on the plug-in charger will illuminate red while the battery pack is charging. If the charging port is not accessible, first disconnect the battery pack cable from the motor power supply cable. Then remove the battery pack from its brackets before connecting the charger to the battery pack charging port and electrical outlet. The LED indicator on the plug-in charger will illuminate red while charging. When the LED indicator changes from red to green, the battery is fully charged and ready to use. This may take up to 6 hours. Disconnect the battery pack from the charger. If you previously removed the battery pack from its mounting brackets, reinstall it in the brackets now. Finally, reconnect the battery pack cable to the motor's power supply cable. Make sure no cords interfere with the movement of the shade or blind, and the motor antenna remains exposed.
For more information about Somfy products, visit floridaautomatedshade.com. To learn about our Somfy motorized window treatments, visit fsblinds.com. And you can find all Somfy technical information at fslibrary.com.